First of all, Google up the India map outline. Go to Images and select the image with clear outline. Save it. Now, open the Fusion 360 window. From Insert, select the canvas. Click on Insert from My Computer. Select the downloaded image and open it. Select plane on which you want to draw the sketch and click OK. Now, from Browser, right-click on Image, click on Calibrate. Select the top and bottom point to resize the image. Give value. Now, select the sketch and click on Image Plane. Select Spline from Tools. Adjust image so you can draw line between image sketch line. Now, start clicking points on image line. Keep short distance for accuracy.
Check that. Like that.
If it's take too much low, then complete spline by clicking on right. Select the spline and start from last point where you ended. If you not start with previous line, then area will be not created. Once again, start pointing.
Wicked.
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें.
When you reach the start point, click on line from where you have started to create loop. Complete the spline drawing and zoom out. It looks great. India map is ready. Finish the sketch. Extrude it. India map is ready in 3D model.